Yo, it's your boy Jay Will back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to earn money online with no website and no startup cash, all free traffic. What we gonna do is come to ClickBank. Gonna find a product in a health and fitness niche. We can use this BioFit product. Hit promote. Grab your link, copy. Now what we're gonna do, open up a new tab, go to Google, type in bit.ly, get your bit.ly link. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in the health and fitness niche. You can choose any health product. I'm just gonna choose BioFit. Generate hot link. Copy your hot link, open up a new tab, go to Google, type in teeny URL shortener, go here, paste the URL in here, grab this link, test it out, let's see if it works first, paste that in there. Okay, it works. Okay, swing over to youtube.com. Type in weight loss products. You can filter it by today. Make sure it's today. Can we do that? 497 views 8 hours ago. What you can do is just click on videos like this. Make sure it's from today. Go in the comment section and say something like, I love this video. I transform my body using this secret product. Then paste your link in here. Bow. Copy this. Comment. Then you can just go back. Go to the next video. 18 hours ago, 4K views. The reason you want to sort by today is because you want to be at the top of the comment section. You can just paste that right in here. Comment. Go back and do the next video. 6.4K views. Click on that one. Do it again. Now you can do this as much as you need to, all the way until YouTube say you can't comment anymore for the day. And tomorrow do the same thing over and over and over. Because the reason why, your comment always gonna stay on YouTube. So even from a year from now, you still can make money from this product from YouTube. It's an easy way to get started. Anybody can do it. And you know, I made plenty of money doing this when I first got started. You know, this is free traffic. Back when I first got started, I was promoting red tea detox on ClickBank. I was making over $100 a day using this same exact method back when I didn't have any money. When I grew my money, built my money up, I started running ads. I learned how to run ads, Facebook ads, PPC ads, and I started to grow my money, and reinvest. So yeah, you can like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. I just want to show you guys a free money method real quick. I have more free money methods. I'm going to drop more videos in the future. And meanwhile, as a bonus, if you have an Xbox, let me know. You can add me, JWillTV. I like to play 2K, Madden, Call of Duty, everything. You know, we can chop it up. So yeah, like, subscribe, and comment.